Hi there, welcome back to AR Maharaj. Hope you guys are doing great. Today we are checking out the HIFRESH 021HL bladeless tower fan, a sleek and slim 110cm tower fan. In this video, I'll show you what comes inside the box, full features and build quality, real airflow and noise testing, and I also have a special 5% discount coupon code for you at the end. So make sure you watch till the end. Unboxing experience. When you open the tall and slim box, here's what you get. HIFRESH 021HL bladeless tower fan, remote control, tower fan stand base, user manual. Everything is neatly packed and the setup process is very simple. The fan features a 3-step tool-free assembly, so you don't need any additional tools. Assemble the base, align the holes and protrusions properly, rotate the base following the lock icon to secure it in place. Once assembled, simply plug it in and you're ready to enjoy cool and comfortable airflow. Design and build quality. This tower fan stands tall at 110cm with a slim tower style design. It doesn't take much floor space, so it's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, study rooms, small office setups. The weight is around 4 kg and there is a handle on the top which makes it easy to carry and move around. On the front, you get a beautiful LED display and touch control panel with options like power, speed, mode, swing, timer, mute. Below that are the air outlet grills. This tower fan uses a bladeless blower system which delivers focused and powerful airflow. The bladeless design also helps keep children and pets safe from injury. Features and functions. You can control the tower fan using the touch panel on the top or the included remote control which has a range of around 5 meters. It offers power on off button, 4 fan speeds F1, F2, F3, F4, 4 modes normal, natural, sleep, automatic, 12-hour timer, auto swing up to 90°, mute button for beep free operation. It is ideal for small to medium sized rooms. Real testing results. Here are the key performance results. Airflow capacity 1320 cfm, maximum wind speed up to 8.5 meter per second, air through distance up to 26 feet, maximum coverage area up to 25 square meter, oscillation 90° wide angle swing. The fan operates at a low noise level of around 25 decibel. Even at high speed, the noise remains quite manageable. You can comfortably use it while sleeping, watching TV, working. Power consumption is only 60 watts, making this tower fan energy efficient and economical for everyday use. Pros I personally liked: very sleek and modern tower design, low power consumption 60 watts, portable with top handle, powerful airflow with up to 26 feet air through, low noise operation around 25 decibel, 90° wide angle oscillation for better air circulation, compact design that saves floor space. Price and special discount offer. At the time of making this video, I found the price of the HIFRESH 021HL bladeless tower fan to be around Rs 9,099 on the HIFRESH India website. Considering its sleek design, powerful airflow, safety features and included accessories, I think it's a good option. And here's the special offer I mentioned earlier. You can get an extra 5% discount if you use my coupon code ARMaharaj05 during checkout. So if you are planning to buy this tower fan, don't miss this deal. I'll leave the purchase link and the coupon code in the description box below so you can easily check it out. Who should buy this? If you want a space-saving tower fan, if you live in a small or medium-sized rooms, if you want low electricity consumption, if you want a modern-looking tower fan, if you prefer low noise operation, if you have children or pets and want a safer bladeless design, then this is definitely a good option to consider. Final verdict. Overall, the HIFRESH 021HL bladeless tower fan offers good airflow performance, a stylish and space-saving design, low power consumption and energy efficiency, useful safety features, low noise operation, easy portability for bedrooms, study rooms and small living rooms. I can definitely recommend it in this price range. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AR Maharaj for more honest and product reviews. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.